afternoon, everybody. This is Mr. Driving School, and we are in Caucasus, between Caucasus and Oakwood. So we're dealing with the roundabout, how to deal with a roundabout safely, and what steps do we need to follow. So the steps we need to follow is called MSPSL routine, which is stand for mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. And this Caucasus roundabout is part of Bonnet Test Center, and I hope you find this video useful. So let's have a look. Good. Okay, so now the car is in park. We're going to be put it in the car into drive. So now we're going to move off from here safely. What we will be doing, we're going to be doing 6-point check from the left side to the right side, full effective observation, right side. Now we signal right and move off now. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing, turning right in this road first. So what do I need to do? Check my center mirror, right mirror, signal right, position to the right from the cars one door length away, and then when my car's mirror right mirror lines up with the middle of the road, now look ahead first, then start turning. Then slowly, just straight the wheel, check my mirrors, and then continue. And then drive between these cars really slowly because we don't have a space. Check my mirrors, left mirror, look far ahead as far as I can see. Okay, so drive into the middle of the road and look far down the road. Okay, so the speed is 30, but my speed is about 15, 16, 17 now, and I'm driving perfectly in the middle of the road, and I've got 1 meter space from the left side, 1 meter from the right side, just in case somebody might have opened the door. Now at the end of the road, I'm going to turn right. What do I need to do? Check my middle mirror, right mirror, signal right, and then as soon as I pass this black car, come back again, check my mirrors, and stay here now. Now we're going right. That's a broken white line, looking nice and slowly. And when I see my side is clear, I can block this side and wait. Now wait for the right side. So now, so that car is coming quite fast, and after this car, I can go 1, 2, 3. I can go. Beautiful. Now check my mirrors, cancel my signal. Then what I need to do now,
Said is calling.
now what I need to do, take the third exit to the right side. So center mirror, right mirror, signal right, position myself to the right hand side, then have a look. Okay, so anybody coming? 1, 2, 3. The Mini Cooper is coming there. So 1, 2, 3, safe now, continue. Okay, so now this is my exit number 1. Okay, and this is my exit number 2. Now center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and leave the roundabout nicely all the way to the left side. That's it. Okay, so now check my mirror, cancel my signal, nice and slow, and that's how you don't do the exit number 3 at this roundabout. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we'll be going left in this road and coming back. We're going to be doing the second exit. Okay, so now we're going left. So center mirror, left mirror, signal left, nice and slow, gentle brake, look into the road, and then go into the road. Now look into the road, make sure nobody's coming, look at the mirror, make sure you don't hit the curb, then go ahead. Okay, so now I'm going to turn around the car and then come back again. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go down the road there and turn around the car when it's safe. So anybody there? No. Just gonna go in this road, beginning here, then look all around. If there's nobody, then stop here, then reverse, look all around, if it's safe, look all around safely, then stop, then we go right. Now mirror signal right and turn around the car. Beautiful. Okay, so now at the end of the road, we're going to be turning right. You just follow the steps. Okay, so what steps do you need to follow? Mirror, signal, position, speed, and look. So center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Then unfortunately this car's parked there, so usually I would be here. So now I'm going to pass the car, check my mirrors, come back here, and then gentle brake here, look all around, right, left, right. Now if it's safe, then I can go. Good. Okay, so now at this roundabout, we're going to be going ahead second exit. So you see the car's parked there, check my mirror, slow speed, slow, and I've got plenty of space from these cars next to me. Then once I pass them, check my mirrors and come back to the side. Then we're going ahead. Now we're going ahead second exit. So check my mirrors, I don't need to signal because I'm going straight ahead second exit. Now mirrors and gentle brake slowly, Look to the right side, look to the right side. Anybody coming? Yes, they're coming. Okay, so now that car coming, the grey, the black, 1, 2, no, the van coming, and he's changed his mind. Now I can go. Okay, so now this is the first exit, closer to the curb, center mirror, left mirror signal left, and come all the way to the left side. That's good. Okay, so now cancel my signal. Now check my mirror because the road is merging. Check my mirror slowly. Check my mirrors and then shift myself back to the right hand side because it was 2 lanes and come to 1 lane is merged, and that's why I check my mirrors. Okay, now continue. Thank you guys. That was a short video about Cockfost's roundabout, how to deal second exit and how to deal with the third exit. I hope you found this video useful. Have a lovely day. All the best. Thank you.
Bye.
How's it?
It's okay.
Yes? Is it easy, difficult?
No.
So did you see my speed, how much speed I'm going? Yes? What sort of speed I'm going?
Slow.
Why?
Because you have time to think,
Yes.
to see everything.
Did I rush anything?
No.